Firstly, Waiata, I think, came to be around the middle 1980s. And just before that, I had spent this year in Fiji on an island called Taveuni, in a settlement called Tutu. And I painted a Māori Madonna there, and it's still there today, at the front of a chapel that we built there. I believe, though, that in terms of women, it began in my family, in my upbringing, because I had so many queers who are really strong women. In fact, I had my mum's mum, her name was Atareta Te Hau from Ngai Tāmanuhiri. She would get up on the marae and speak, and I saw all of that. And I think that was the idea of Mary that I had